So coming from the place where I sleep, which is about 1.2 kilometers from there, and we are now here in this park. That color maroon is a toilet. So that's where I wash my face, brush my teeth, and clean myself. It's a very small toilet, but it's clean. And look at this, there are some kinds of beautiful trees. And this is actually a residential area. I will show you these flowers. Really look beautiful. Yeah, look at these. Yeah, beautiful flowers, beautiful trees. I mean, these trees doesn't have leaves. They have just flowers. Okay, I feel clean now. So we're going back to the town center, to the city center. And we are back here in the car park. And now we're going to walk around the town to take some pictures and video. It is already 8:24, but it's still not busy. They have this shopping mall, Meyer. Usually Meyer is in the big city and big shopping mall. There is one Suzuki Jimny, Ivory, and there is this church that's become a police station. Yeah, they have many traditional looking buildings. They have this park within the town center, no, city center. It is already 8:39, but not so much people. Maybe these shops are going to open by 10 or 9 o'clock. Yeah, I am too early to roam around. Oh, in this area of Albury, mostly a residential area already. Yeah, there's like a garden going up there. We're not going up. But instead there is a botanical garden inside. I hope these trees will survive this winter. And you know, it is cold, uncomfortable cold. Okay, we are out of the botanics garden and we'll be back to the city center. They have many car parks, free car parks here in Albury. And another thing that I noticed is that car parks in the middle of the road, and then this side is designed for the cyclists. And of course they also have those bigger Australian brands here. Target, Kmart, Woolworths, all of them. Some shops already open. I initially parked here last night, but yeah, it's just 3 hours maximum, and so I left. I've been to so many places already around here in Albury, so we maybe go to the next stop. And we are back here in the car park. Now I'm eating this mandarin. This is my favorite fruit. We're now moving to Wagga Wagga, and according to Google Map, it's about 125 kilometers and over 1 hour of travel. And at the moment we are here in one of the rest area. Yeah, there is a picnic area, so I'm going to boil this water for my coffee. Yeah, usually you just put this here, and then what is the button? Press this button. It actually takes time to cook here using this kind of material. Now I am tempted to just buy a cup of coffee on that bowling and recreation club. I can see from here that the hot plate is really hot. That's it. It's not boiling hot, but I'm happy with this. And it's just right. Yeah, this much of coffee. And we are now here in Wagga Wagga. I noticed that this Wagga Wagga is a big city. I also read online that Wagga Wagga is the most populous inland city here in Australia. I don't know if they have beach here. Maybe no. Maybe a big river or a lake. Okay, we're going to find a restaurant to eat. I saw the roasted chicken and I'm tempted to go and eat there again. Yeah, I like the chicken with the honey. Because this is a big city, maybe there is a Filipino restaurant. Let's check. Yeah, there's no Filipino restaurant. There is one, but they closed already. Yeah, that's why I end up here. There is another one, but they open at 6. You know, this wasting of paper. And I like this. This is actually pineapple. Oh, this is actually different from the one I eat in Water's Garden. Yeah, this one is just spicy. The one that I eat in Water's Garden is with honey, and that's the one that I really like. So that means that's just seasonal or promotion, not the regular menu. And now we are going to the Wagga Wagga beach. I'm curious. Yeah, they have a beach. I'm curious how it is. They have this church, and they have a big car park here. And we reached the Wagga Wagga beach. Yeah, it is beautiful here. There's that beautiful church, a residential area, a park with playground, also children's playground over there. And this is their beach. Yeah, it's a big river. And if you notice, Australia's best Wagga beach number 9 beaches 2020, number 9 top 20 Australian beaches in 2020 as endorsed by Tourism Australia's beach expert. Yeah, the water is like this. That's because of the rain last night and the previous days also. Yeah, but during regular days, for sure, this is really beautiful. Yeah, and I think the water is not really reaching this much. I think it's just somewhere yeah, in the middle. Yeah, it's just because of the rain. It's beautiful, really. A lot of trees. There's this picnic area. There's like a relaxation sitting area. I still have this coffee that I made in the rest area. Still warm. And there's this yeah, children's playground. Okay, we're getting out of the beach area. We're going to have a look at this big church. Oh, I'm calling it down because when I was passing through, yeah, I feel hot. Yeah, so yeah, this is the place where I'm going to sleep for tonight. The name of the place is Eora or Oyora, O-U-R-A. I think it's the name of the bird. And Yeah, I'm worried a little bit because maybe it will collapse and landslide. I hope not. Yeah, this in this river, and yeah, actually there are some campers. Yeah, caravan. That side, over there, and there. This is about 30 minutes drive coming from Wagga Wagga. I was basically driving around Wagga Wagga looking for a place to stay for tonight. And there are three camping ground. One is caravan park. Yeah, the caravan park is closed. I mean full. No more vacancy. And then the other camping ground is closed. They are doing some renovation, but so there is no way to get in. But I saw there are some campers. Yeah, I just respect the signboard, so I didn't go inside. And then another campground that I was looking for, I didn't found it. The GPS of my car, it is not very accurate because you need to make it accurate, you need to put the number of the house. But yeah, most of the address, especially if it is a camping ground or caravan park, it doesn't have a number. Yeah, there is this broken I don't know. Yeah, I think this is just damaged. Previously, for sure, no water. And there are also other campers there. Good afternoon. And this guy has everything: boat, motorcycle, a bike. And look at the trees, very big. Even this one. And there are more campers on that side. And they are collecting something for fire. And for sure, that one on the middle is a kind of toilet. You know, some like this family. Yeah, they are a traveler. I think their kids are doing kind of a homeschooling, home study. Yeah, I'm not sure. And that's the toilet. That's it. I'm not going to set up my bed, but I'm going to edit some videos first. The good thing is that there is internet connection. Yeah, there is a reception here, which is good. I actually don't have food to cook. I have just yeah, the bread and the hummus. That is going to be my dinner. Okay, it's cold now.